In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Notion templates on Gumroad. We're going to walk through the process of creating a digital product listing, setting the price, adding a description, uploading your file, and publishing it so it's ready for customers. If you already have your Notion template prepared, this should be a very straightforward setup. Start by going to your Gumroad dashboard and looking at the menu on the left side. Click on Products. This is where all of your existing items live, and it's also where you can create a new one. Once you're in the Products area, click on New Product. This opens the product creation page where you'll begin entering the basic details for your Notion template. Now enter the product name. Choose a clear, specific name that tells people exactly what the template is for. A strong product name makes your listing easier to understand at a glance. Next, click on Digital Product. Since a Notion template is something customers access digitally rather than a physical item, this is the correct product type to choose. After that, click the Price drop-down menu. From there, select your currency. Make sure you choose the currency you want to sell in, especially if your audience is based in a particular region. Once the currency is set, enter your product price. This is the amount customers will pay for your template. Take a moment here to confirm that both the currency and price are correct before moving on. When everything looks good, click on Next, Customize. This takes you to the section where you can make your product page more informative for potential buyers. Now, write a description of your product. This is where you explain what the Notion template does, who it's for, and what's included. A clear description helps buyers understand the value of your template and can make your product feel more polished and trustworthy. When you finish the description, click on Save and Continue. That will move you into the content section where you attach the actual file or deliverable for the product. Click on Upload your files. Gumroad will then ask where you want to upload the Notion template file from. Choose the location where your file is saved, then browse for the correct file, select it, and click Open. Once the file is selected, wait for the upload cut to complete. Depending on your file size and internet speed, this may take a few moments, so give it time to finish fully before continuing. Finally, click on Publish and Continue. At this point, your Notion template product is published and ready for the next stage of sharing or selling through Gumroad.